Hello all, my name is Viraj and I'd like to introduce you to this Python class that I'm giving away for free to a select few individuals, 5 beginners to be very specific. Okay, so let's look into what this is, the selection process that we'll go through, my expectations from students, and how to apply. Okay, let's get started. So what the final project will be, I'll play it on the screen right now. It's going to be a space dodgers game. We'll build a complete game with sprites, with backgrounds, with keyboard inputs to move your character left and right, spawning in the asteroids that fall, changing the asteroids from basic sprites to images, adding sound effects, adding a scoreboard, so much more. And all in 5 days. You don't need any coding experience. You don't need to know anything about Python or Pygame, which is the basically module we will use. I'll teach you everything from scratch. I just need your commitment. And once you finally understand how to make this specific game, you can go ahead and build your own games like Temple Run, Subway Surfer, so on and so forth. Yeah. So basically, this course is a game development class that spans for 5 days, where you have to give 1 hour each day. Is originally priced as 35,000 rupees, but I'm offering it for free for a select group of people. Okay, that is 5 beginners. Why 5 specifically? Because this is going to be a completely live class where I'm giving everybody one-on-one attention. I'm going to be creating custom modules for you. I'll offer custom projects for you. There would be blog posts and PDFs and portfolio building. Maybe your app can get published through me on the Play Store, on App Store, so much so. And it's all going to be live. So I can't handle like 500 people, which is why I'm just offering this for 5 people, right? And it's going to be free. You don't have to pay anything to be a student. And there's a couple of reasons for that, but we'll get into that in just a second. First, let's look at who am I? Okay, who am I to tell all of this? So, I'm Viraj. I'm 18 years old with 7 to 8 years of experience in coding, programming, and everything of that sort. I've worked on AI and ML, which is artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc., with Tech Mahindra, which is the company. I've also participated in India's first private rocket launch, which was the APJ AKSLV 23. And I've also done a bunch of other stuff like building the world's first COVID workbots, working with the government of Pune, working with Naidu hospitals, participating in FTC, coming in ninth, winning the national MIT Robocon, so much. And all of this is in the tech field, so my achievements in the tech field, right? And especially I've taught over 5,000 students over 18 years in the fields of STEM, right? So that's just an intro about me. Let's look at the reasons I'm giving this course away for free. So there's basically only two main reasons, right? One is to improve the course significantly by getting continuous feedback and testimonials. So everything you like and dislike, I'll get it from you. I'll improve on the course. And again, second, like I said, to gather testimonials and success stories from a diverse group of learners for future students, for future prospects, so on and so forth. That's the only two reasons I'm giving this 35,000 rupees course away for free. Now let's look at the selection process. So basically, not everybody who will apply, like I said, will get selected. Only 5 people are getting it. So let's look at the process, how it goes, what you should keep in mind, so on and so forth. So there's only three things in this process, three steps. One is the application questionnaire, which is basically a form you have to fill out. It is a Google form, which you can find out on the website, which is www.virutech.org. Just click on the apply now button, you'll go to the form. It'll be in this video's description, and maybe you're also watching this video from the form's link itself. So you have to fill out that form, bunch of easy questions, so I can vet you out, understand where you come from, if you have a unique age, background, gender, so on and so forth. Second is review and selection. I'll just go look at everybody, select the people who I think can commit, have the potential, who have the time, and I'll just vet you in. And the selected few winners will be announced, basically, the participants who get to become students. I'll just email you, text you, you'll get it on the WhatsApp group, everything. And so that's basically the selection process. You don't have to worry about it. Filling the form is completely free. So if you feel like you have time, just fill the form. It will take 2 minutes because I asked for a majority of your details. Just fill it out, practically, mindfully, and that's it. So basically, there's only three requirements I need from students. The first is commitment. Like I said, it's gonna be over 5 days, 1 hour each day, and around 1 to 1.5 hour of practice and homework assignments that you'll need to do every single day, right? And so I need all my students to commit fully to the class for this specific amount of time, that is 1 to 1.5 hours every single day. Complete the assignment, complete the homeworks, and attend the live classes. Be responsive, ask questions in the class, so on and so forth. So I need you to commit and not just sign up just for the sake of signing up and not attend the second, third, fourth, fifth classes, right? And also, you get a certificate. So if you do everything right, the certificate is yours for free. Second thing I need is honest feedback from students. So basically, my end goal is trying to improve this class level by level by level by level, and a feedback and a testimonial will be essential for me, and it would be just like icing on the cake. So please only apply if you can provide honest feedback without sugarcoating it. It's okay if you don't like something, you can tell me and I'll improve on it in the future, right? And third, I just need you to refer this class and me and Viru Tech to three of your connects. It could be anyone, maybe somebody from your class, somebody from your tuitions, your friend, your niece, your uncle, your aunt, anybody who you think would be interested in coding. So after the class is completed, after you like it, after you go through the entire process, build your own games, I just want you to refer this class to just three of your people. So if you can do that, well, that's great. If you meet all of these criteria, just go ahead and apply, please. Like I said, it's free. You can apply and you'll get back your results in a couple of weeks. And if you fit into all of these descriptions, then please go ahead and apply. I love to have you in the class. So what the final project will be, I'll play it on the screen right now. It's going to be a space dodgers game. We'll build a complete game with sprites, with backgrounds, with keyboard inputs to move your character left and right, spawning in the asteroids that fall, changing the asteroids from basic sprites to images, adding sound effects, adding a scoreboard, so much more. And all in 5 days, you don't need any coding experience. You don't need to know anything about Python or Pygame, which is the basically module we will use. I'll teach you everything from scratch. I just need your commitment. And once you finally understand how to make this specific game, you can go ahead and build your own games like Temple Run, Subway Surfer, so on and so forth. Yeah. If you think that you can make the cut, then go ahead and apply at www.virutech.org. It's free for application, and you can basically put your name in. I'll vet through it, and maybe I'll see you in the class. So, yeah, I hope to see you, and bye bye. Thank you so much.